Hello, you're watching TorqueKingTv. I'm Matt, your product highlight video host. Today I'm showcasing the QU11109, a right front axle assembly for 2003 to 2008 Dodge Ram 2500 and 3500 4x4 trucks. This axle shaft is a genuine premium factory assembled American axle manufacturing original equipment passenger side, also known as a right or long side axle assembly. This includes an outer axle shaft, an outer axle shaft slinger, factory lube axle U-joint, and right inner axle shaft. Dodge did not have AAM put any anti-corrosive coating between the wheel hub and steering knuckle. If your front axle has never been apart, there's a good chance the hub bearing support is rust frozen to the steering knuckle. While a heavy-duty puller can often pull the hub, you have to be very careful that you do not separate and ruin the hub assembly when using a puller. For badly stuck hubs, I prefer to torch the ball joints and remove the steering knuckle and the wheel hub as an assembly. That can be pressed apart on a shop press. For more tech notes and application, as well as where to purchase for your own rig, visit our website at TorqueKing.com. Hey friends, we sure appreciate you watching these videos. Check us out on the web by clicking the links down below in the description and do the right thing. Give us a like, subscribe, and comment on what you saw, or even let us know if there's a product you want to see. Then hit the notification bell so you don't miss it when it comes up. We are working hard to give you good information here at Torque King. Thanks for watching, and until next time, good luck keeping your rig on the road.